Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So I was contacted a little while back by someone from PandaHall Selected. This is their logo here, about picking out a few products and then showing them to you guys. They asked me if I would be interested, and I said of course I would. So I went over there and picked out a few things, and they have came in. So this is kind of an unboxing of my PandaHall Selected. And at the end of the video and in the description box, I will have a discount code where you can get 10% off of your whole order. So I will make sure to share that with you guys on video, as well as it being in my description box below. I will also have a link to the 4 products that I got, as well as a link to PandaHall.com for the Shoppers Center's official website. Just remember when you go over there, guys, that the PandaHall Selected will have this logo on it, so it is different from the regular PandaHall stuff. So it is, you know, like 2 different things. So we will go ahead and get into this, and then I will have also a couple of process videos as well, where we play around with some of these items. So I am excited. So this one right here, guys, is flower trim ribbon, and of course it's in pink. You guys know me, I had to get pink, so I am super excited to use this. Oh, look at that. Isn't that so pretty, guys? Look at that trim. That's going to look so pretty on tags, or journaling cards, or down the side of a page. Absolutely beautiful. Love that. Hold on just a second, guys. Sorry about that. Bella grabbed something and took off with it. Okay, so the other thing that I got is some self-threading hand sewing needles. And those of you who watch my channel regularly, see if I can spit that out, say that 3 times fast, know that I have been doing, or I did do, Rachel's Journal of Stitchery. Yep. So these right here, and these are awesome too. Yep, so these come in these little holders, and I love these little holders. And look at all the different size needles you have in here. From teeny tiny that looks like they would work with beads, to these really big ones that does not have a point on it. Let's see, threw those out. So yeah, like I said, I love these little containers that they come in. And it just screws on there, so you keep them on there. You don't have to worry about it coming off. Oh yeah, and it tightens up really well too. And then we have these. Okay, so this is just an extra one. We could put these in there whenever we open that up. So we have these. Okay, so this right here, these are of the self-threading needles, and the instructions how to use: simply place the thread at the top notch of the needle as shown on the package, and then by pulling the thread down, it will go through the eye. That is awesome. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay. Well, that is cool. I'm sure you're not going to be able to see that, but there's a little spot up here that is actually open. Oh, well, that's going to be fun to use. Oh yeah, that's super cool. Oh yeah, so we'll definitely do some kind of stitching product, or stitching something. We're going to stitch something, guys. So we got that, so I'm excited about those. And then we have the elastic lace trim. And I'm thinking, guys, before I do my process video, because y'all know I've been coffee dying crazy here lately. I think, oh, this is so soft. Wow. Okay, let's snip that off because I don't want to tear the lace. There we go. Oh, this is super soft. Look at that lace. That would make an amazing pocket. Look at that. And it's stretchy too. And you could actually, guys, double this over as well, since it is stretchy, and you can actually use it to go around a journal. Oh yeah, I really like this. Now I think what I'm going to do, like I said, is take some of it off and actually coffee dye it, and then when we come back to use it, we will look and see how it turned out. Alright guys, sorry about that. Belly keeps coming here and grabbing stuff and taking off with it. You guys know I can't chase this dog around. So yeah, so before we do the couple of process videos and use this, we'll do some with it like it is. But then I will show you guys how a coffee does. Because we do love our coffee dye. So there's that. That is so soft. I actually love that. And this is 5 yards. So that is a lot. Okay, and then the last thing I got was this butterfly metal frame cutting dies. And you know I love my butterflies. So let's see if I can get into the bag. So yeah, we will definitely play with these. I am excited to get in here and see. Oh yeah, look at these guys. Look at there. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Look at this, like a cascade of butterflies. Oh, this is going to be loads of fun. Oh, I can't wait. Look at how beautiful. Okay, so I've got to be very selective in my paper because these are going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous butterflies. And then we have this one here. And then we have the dragonfly. How pretty. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies. Oh, I love these. Yep, this is going to be fun. Alright guys, so that is my unboxing for PandaHall Select. Just make sure that you don't forget when you go over there for my discount code that you're going to look for this PandaHall Selected. It's not just a regular PandaHall, it is PandaHall Selected, and the items will have this little logo of this little panda out beside it, and it will say PandaHall Select. So what we're going to do in a few days or so, or maybe a week, is come back and play with these items. I'm going to get to looking in my scrapbook paper and see what I have that we want to use these dies on, because I think those are going to be amazing. Alright guys, so that is it for my unboxing video for my PandaHall Selected. Going to get all this stuff all back down in here so that we will have it ready for when we go to play with it, and I'm really excited. Okay, so that's it. Again, let's look at the logo. So that is the logo that you're looking for. So I will have a link to all of these 4 products that I received right here, and there is a thank you code, and the code is Dreams71. It's capital DREAMS71, and you will get 10% off of your total order, and that coupon code is actually valid for a whole year. So it is valid June 24th of 22 through June 24th of 23. And again, it's available for all products of PandaHall Selected. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me today. If you don't mind, leave me a quick comment and hit that like button. I would really appreciate your support. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.